Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will hopefully get informed when new videos pop up. So this is a little bit of Happymail, but it's Happymail I purchased. Kind of got a bit of a bent knife, but I'm not sure how to get into this box. Oh, it's oh, hang on. It's just stuck, but in lots of places. I might not need the knife, which is a good thing. I shouldn't be let loose with such things. Okay, it might take a while. But I recently ordered some bits and bobs from the printers. And oh, that's stuck very stiff, that side. I was going to try some merchandise, but I don't think I ordered any this time around. I had a look at their prices and I wasn't that impressed, so I left it, I think. But I can't actually remember all the things I did order. Wow, there's another side. That is stuck. Very odd way to seal a box. I think I might, yeah, I'm in. Guys, I'm in. Well, there's not a lot here. So I must have been pretty frugal. But I ordered some of these. And these are business cards. And I designed these some time ago. And I was toying with the idea of attempting a new design. And then I thought, you know what, I like it. I like the design as it was. Did you get in this thing? Does it go up like that? Aha, there we go. I thought I liked them, so I'll leave it as it is. And I tell you what, they're thinner. They're definitely thinner than they used to be. But they have got the Hobby Rocks symbol on. I have a Crochet Rocks and a Hobby Rocks symbol that are identical, but apart from the word, it's got the website address. And what I should have done was added an email address or something on there, because I know I haven't got that, and I did think, like, next time I order I'll put that on, but I obviously forgot. So I got a fair few of these, because when someone orders I normally stick them in there anyway. And I ordered these. Now last time, oh, just a letter. Last time I'd ordered some stickers, and I used to put them on my parcels when I first started. Well, when I first got the very first ever order, and I used to put them on my parcels, and then I promptly lost them. Looked everywhere, and no dice. Couldn't find them. Now I could have sworn that I'd tried a few different ones, but no, I've got this, and this is what I will be sticking on my orders. And it just got my little symbol, Hobby Rocks, well, one of my little symbols, and rainbows. So that will now adorn my packages, because, you know, it was actually Lisa Ladybird who made me think I really ought to get some more of those stickers, because when she reviewed the parcel that she got from me, apart from once she got in and who she knew she'd ordered from me and no one else, so she kind of knew it was, but she did sort of make a comment that there was nothing on the box to suggest who it was, and I thought, oh, that is true. And yeah, so I thought I'd get some more, only not lose them this time. I've got a few to be getting on with there. It's not that many, but I can always put in another order a little bit further down the line. They had some mugs. That's what I was going to get, some merch, and they had mugs and bags. The bags were rather expensive. I'm going to shop around a little bit and see if I can find alternatives, although I did really like the bags that I'd seen. And I can't say that I'm going to put them on a merch shelf under here, because they tend to be, I don't know how they started, they tend to be for things like Teespring, and then you set up a account with them and you're not sending it, they are. And I've not really got my head around those and what to do with them all. And although it says you can have merch from 1,000 subscribers now, it used to be 10, you can't really do masses until you get 100,000, from what I was reading. And I don't quite know what I would be doing with Teespring and all the others that they allow. So I figured, oh, there was a Shopify, but I've never tried that either. So I decided that if I do some merch, then I will probably just put it in my shop, unless I can get my head round how you do it, you know, how they kind of do that. You never know. It can't be that hard, surely. I don't find anything is really that self-explanatory these days. It's just either really user-friendly or ridiculously complicated. That's it. So I have to go to I've been waiting in for this parcel, and I now have to go and post off 4 parcels, and they will be the first 4 that get my stickers, since I lost the last lot in the early days. I don't know how many have I got. Quite a few. Notice how the mental arithmetic thought, don't do that on there. Don't do that with people watching. Not that I'm bad at maths. I actually did do quite well at school with maths. I got grade 2 level, intermediate level, you know. So I did actually get a really good grade, but it's the kind of maths that I enjoyed was things like trigonometry. Not mental arithmetic when you're on camera. That's not quite the same thing. So yeah, just these, but I was running low on the cards, and straight away I kind of noticed that the quality of the card is thinner. Definitely thinner than it was the first time round. Just a little bit. But I know that because I picked up a couple earlier and put them in my parcels of the old lot. But side by side, these are going to be marginal. Do you know what? That one seems thicker than the other one. How strange is that? But that one at the front definitely felt thinner. Maybe it was just a duff one. A duff one, maybe. I don't know. But I've got enough to last me a little while now. I was getting a bit low. I think next time I definitely put my email address on, or possibly anyway. Well, that's not a very big happy mail, but I have got another one, another little unboxing to do. Gary bought me a heater for the Yarner van. It's got a name now. I don't know if you've seen this little update, but Charlie Okerson, she, when I kept saying what can I call the the caravan, because I kept calling it the Hobby Rock stroke Crochet Rock stroke Yarn Room Extraordinaire or something. A bit of a mouthful. So it's now called the Yarner van. So Gary bought me some heaters for the Yarner van, and when I did my packaging, I tried one out, because we only took one out of the box, and I thought if it's any good, I'll do a little bit of an unboxing and show it. But because that will be on my other channel, that will be on Rocksteady. So incidentally, at the moment I'm trialing some ice globes. If you haven't seen that already, it's over there on Rocksteady, and I'm almost getting up to 1,000 subscribers over there, so I'm really trying to make that up to the 1,000. So if you haven't yet subscribed, then that would be great. And I did another little video as a Dematica, which is a retinol update. So I did that as well. So then I will be doing the little heater unboxing, because well, you have to watch it, but they are quite invaluable is the word. And today I have my tutorial for my chevron blanket, which is a granny spike chevron, a bit wider than the most of them, but that's coming up today. Quite a lot of things going on at the moment, and yeah, busy bee. Thanks for watching, and well, and that wasn't a massive one, but there was another little announcement I needed to make. I can't for the life of me now remember what it was. I thought of it just now. When I get off the camera, I will remember. Oh yes, if you haven't seen it on my Rocks chat, if you're not one of those that watch my Rocks chat, I'm going to be doing some live streams, and that will be a themed live stream. It will be making Gary's blanket live stream, which is here. This is his blanket. It's very big, but because it now takes a long time to get around the actual blanket itself, and I still have quite a lot of yarn to get through. It's lovely. It's made with the Premier Puzzle yarn, and I do have another pack of it here to go through, and a little bit left over from the previous ball, so it's got to grow quite a bit yet, because Gary wanted this to be a really big one that would cover us both over when we're watching TV and you want to snuggle under a blanket on the sofa. You can put it over the back, so it is quite a size now, but it will be a lot bigger. So because of making tutorials and doing other little designs and other little features, I never really had time to get on with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the making Gary's blanket live streams. So I will sit here and work on it while we do the live stream. So that'll be coming up soon. I'm not sure when the first one will be, but I'll try and give you notice. But you know me, I'm a bit of a on the spur of the moment person. So anyway, I am going this time. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.